Hi there, this is George from Present Day Solutions, and I welcome you all once again to our Excel tutorials for absolute beginners. Today we will be taking you through how to create charts in Microsoft Excel. So to create a chart, you have to set up your data. Once your data is ready, you select the cells which contains the data you want to graphically represent or depict. So in my case, I want to select the regions and then the males and females in those regions. So after selecting, there is a quick analysis button here, which you can get to by clicking on the control key on your keyboard, or you just click on that button. And the second tab you see is the charts, and you can select a befitting chart from the recommended ones here. That's just one option to create a chart in Microsoft Excel. Or after selecting the data the cells which contains your data, you go to the home insert tab and click on this recommended charts, and it will give you a list of charts which can best describe your data. When you find a befitting one, you either double click on it or you click on it and then go down and click on the OK button. That is another way of creating a chart. Or it's either you select the data and then use the shortcut key Alt F1, and Alt F1 will also give you a recommended chart. If you know a kind of chart you'd want to use already, then that's fine. You just select what the cells that contains your data, go to the insert tab and go to the chart types within the chart group in the on the insert tab. So should in case I want a 3D start, I just click on that and then I'm there. So there are various ways of creating charts, but the ultimate one, the basic thing you have to do is to select the cells that contains your data. Either use the quick analysis button, which is this, or you go to the insert tab, go to the recommended, or you choose from the chart types within the charts group. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your comments in the comment box and then we'll address all your issues for you. Thank you.